Oh boy, I shouldn't have any Coca-Cola before this video because I am excited about this unboxing, but also I am hyper because of the Coca-Cola, but well, excuse me. Anyways, first of all, welcome back. Bienvenidos amigos, welcome back for another unboxing, presentation and first impressions of these fragrances right here from in this pack from the brand Gissah. This is Legend of Valleys. The pack is called like Legend of Valleys. It's like some special edition, something like that. And it has two, not just one, but two fragrances. It has Hudson and Imperial. So Gissah lately, there has been some noise about it, some hype, especially Imperial, the fragrance Imperial. It has, more people are talking about it, even though these fragrances have been launched a while ago. Imperial was like launched in 2021, while Hudson was launched in 2020, if I'm not really mistaken. So yes, as I said, it's gonna be unboxing and presentation and the first impressions for both fragrances. I'm gonna spray both fragrances and tell you all about it and tell you about my opinion and see if all of this noise is really, if these fragrances really live up to their reputation and all the positive feedback that we heard about it. So I'm gonna skip the cellophane wrap opening and come back to you with the box open and ready to do the presentation. Alright, I just opened it, took off the cellophane wrap. I'm gonna move these scissors from here. Alright, so yes, I like the color. It has this type of hologram type of coloring, like purple with white, beige, something like that. The design, I don't know what they are trying to say with this design, but it looks, it has a luxurious vibe. Gissah, this brand from Koweit, by the way, from the UAE. Let's check out the back. The back right here, we have some ingredients, etc., etc. I'm gonna like skip that. And yeah, how do you open this? So, ta-da! Oh, this screams luxurious. It has this luxurious vibe. Look at the fragrances right here. I hope that you guys can see. Here we have the name of the brand, the Gissah. And right here we have two fragrances. We have Imperial and we have Hudson. And right here it says Legend of Valleys. I thought I could find some sort of note here or envelope, but there is nothing. The bottles are not that heavy, kinda heavy, but not really that heavy. So yes, there is no note here, but still it has this really nice packaging, beautiful, kinda luxurious type of presentation. I'm gonna move the box from here. The box also has like this some sort of magnetic closing. I think it has some magnets here, and it closes. See? I'm gonna move the box. So yes, these are the fragrances, and they are both 90 mLs. So this pack, it has like two fragrances, and each of them is 90 ml. So this is Imperial, as you guys can see. Let me try to focus the zoom on it. It has this, you can say it has this Middle Eastern, Persian style. And pretty much the same thing with Hudson. It has the name, it says Hudson number 2 or Hudson 2. And they look charming, beautiful. So I'm gonna spray. Hudson is the first one to be sprayed. The cap is not really that heavy, but it clicks right into place. I'm gonna check out the sprayer later. Right here it says, let's do the zoom. It says Gissah Hudson 2, made in Koweit, 90 ml. And I think that's the Instagram account name. That's between made in Koweit and 90 ml. Anyways, let's spray the fragrance. I'm gonna spray this one on my hand right here. On my left hand. Oh, the sprayer is magnificent. Did you guys see that? But I think it sprays way too much. Okay, let's smell it. I can smell it. I didn't put my nose on my hand yet, but I can smell it really from this distance. And wow. Yeah, it's a little bit synthetic, to be honest with you. And I smell this really strong orange, strong realistic orange smell. Or you can say orange, lemon and bergamot at the same time. So it's like citruses, but now it's getting a little bit fruitier. It's like some sort of fruity vibe. Yeah, it's getting fruitier, definitely. I didn't really check out any much reviews about it. I didn't really watch any reviews about it at all, actually, because I wanted to discover them by myself. Yeah, it's a little bit, I can say citrusy, fruity, sweet, but I don't really catch any vanilla here. I catch something, but I don't know what it is, to be honest with you. It smells familiar. It smells very familiar, actually. Spray it on the paper. Did you guys see that sprayer? Let's do it once again. I'm gonna waste one spray for you. Wow, what a sprayer! What an atomizer! All right, let's smell it off the paper. Off the paper is less citrusy but more fruity. Yeah, much more fruitier. A little bit sweet. Sweet, but not really like nutty. This is like, I don't know, it reminds me of some sort of a juice. Some sort of orange juice that has like some other fruits in it. But it feels like it's really filling the room right now. Yeah, it feels like this fragrance can be like really long lasting and a projecting beast, if I can say that. And I did hear about, this company, this brand Gissah, that their fragrances really are great performers. The fragrances really perform very well, and I can tell really from this opening. There was a little bit of synthetic vibe in the opening, but it's fading away, to be honest. Yeah, it's definitely fading away. It's getting really like cleaner, if I can say that. Yeah, I'm trying to sniff to see if it's gonna change to something else. But well, so far it's citruses with an lemony orangey sweet vibe. Not a how do you say it? It's not like the orange in Aqua Amara, but there is a vibe of Aqua Amara in this opening. It smells really nice. I'm not gonna say it's mass appealing. It has this mature vibe, to be honest with you. So it's not really mass appealing. A little bit, but not a lot. All right, I'm gonna spray the most talked about fragrance from this company, Gissah, which is Imperial. If you guys want to see the name right here, Imperial, and right here the sticker down below, it says Gissah Imperial 2, made in Koweit, Gissah official, I think the Instagram account, 90 ml. And by the way, this video is not sponsored in any type of way. I paid with these for money I don't even have. Anyways, that's another story. So yes, let's spray this and see about it. 1, 2, 3. All right, third spray, or let's say 2.5. The sprayer is really magnificent, to be honest with you guys. I'm really mind blown. I didn't get my hand yet to my nose, and I can smell it really, and it's strong. Okay, let's sniff. I'm gonna sniff my hand. Wow. Yes, definitely both fragrances, they smell like something. They remind you of something, but not like 100% like that thing or like that fragrance. It's like many fragrances at once. So Imperial is much more mature than this one. From this opening, wow, I think the opening of this one, yes, definitely has the wow effect. Wow, yes, it's leathery, animalic, we can say warm, spicy a little bit, and there is a presence of some sort of freshness as well. Maybe some sort of citruses, or maybe aldehydes also. But it's much heavier, definitely. This one is much heavier than this one, much mature and much denser. And it does remind me of many things at once. It reminds me of Toscan Leather by Tom Ford. It reminds me of Guilty Absolute. But more to Gucci Guilty Absolute, to be honest with you. A little bit, maybe a little bit of... let me see. Yeah. We can say it has this Gucci Guilty Absolute type of vibe. But it's kinda in a fresher way. It's like it has this luxurious vibe as well, to be honest with you. Yes, it has like this luxurious scent accord. I don't know how to describe it, to be honest with you. And some slight sweetness. I need definitely to check out. Now, really, I am really curious about the notes, the real notes about these fragrances. I'm gonna try to check the website or the Instagram account of Gissah to have more information about these fragrances. I'm gonna check out Fragrantica, maybe see some videos. But before that, I'm definitely gonna wear these fragrances. I'm gonna try to wear this Imperial one for like a few days, also this one, and come back with my final thoughts for both fragrances in the same video. And to be honest with you, this one really is like much dominant than this one. This one, Imperial, is much better than this one. This one smells really nice, but it's like, I don't know, it's like I don't know how to say it. It's like this one is like a Olympic champion, while this one is like an amateur, someone like trying to get into the Olympics or something like that. But it does smell nice, but while this one is very dominating. Yeah, the opening smells beautiful, and so far it gets really much better. And I can tell that this one might really last like very long and projects beastly. It's really projecting. I don't even need to get my hand to my face, and I smell it very well. And it's much cleaner than this one. This one is much cleaner than this one, and much less synthetic than this one. This one had like some sort of synthetic opening at the beginning. And yes, definitely, this one is much cleaner than this one, and this one much dominant than this one. And this one is definitely much mature and much luxurious. Maybe that's why they put the golden type of texture and design on this one, while this one just have the silver. But anyways, I'm gonna try to wear both fragrances and come back to you guys with my final thoughts for Gissah Imperial and Gissah Hudson. And so far I really like both fragrances, but this one really takes the cake. This one is much better so far, really much better than this one, and I really like them. And now I understand the hype about them, and I understand all the noise about them. But I still need to wear them and see about the performance, how they develop, etc., and come back to you guys with a much shorter. I'm gonna try to make it shorter, a shorter video, and tell you about my conclusions about Hudson and Imperial from Gissah. Gissah, this company from this brand from Koweit. So yes, please give us a like for this video, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and definitely stay tuned for the next videos. Take care, bye bye.